who is here today in full force together with our zone managers representing the various economic zones in the Calabar zone. Of course, nandyan din si DDG Loy Cortero. We'd like to extend our warmest greetings to all our valued locators, stakeholders, our valued partner in our host LGU. The reason why we are celebrating today, it's not just all about PEZA, but of course, as always, together with our valued partners and stakeholders. So let me start by greeting our partners from the LGU. Of course, we have Congressman Antonio Ferrer, we have Mayor Luis Ferrer Deport, represented here today by City Administrator Attorney Donna and of course Councilor Ferrer. Sila ho yung matagal na nating katulong sa pagpapalaganap ng kabuhayan, trabaho, other economic opportunities that we continue to generate and benefit our constituents. Lalong-lalo na ho si Congressman Ferrer, because in his capacity as former zone manager of PEZA, he's helping us a lot in pushing for the empowered PEZA. So we are close to realizing that, so that once the PEZA bill is passed into law, we will be more empowered as we promote not just the eco zones but the Philippines to the global investors. Kasama rin ho natin ang PEZA board member. Kahapon lang nagkaroon kami ng board meeting, si Director Robert Aranton. Alam nyo, kahapon we had our board meeting where we approved now a total of 100 billion pesos in investments. How do you beat that? Even while we are reeling from the brunt of all these global and local headwinds impacting our prospects as an economy, and yet PEZA continues to be a major draw for investors. Of course, CECIA President Takashi Kawano, CECIA, we're not here if not for you, because all these gains of the economy of the Philippine government, we owe it to our valued locator companies. Kasama dyan si June Matabuena ng PIMS. Yung Office of the Governor,
and it is my honor as City Administrator to represent him and the City Government of General Trias in this momentous occasion. Today's event is more than just the opening of a new gate. It is a symbol of progress, efficiency, and forward-thinking development. The new SES gate for light vehicles will significantly improve traffic flow, ease daily commutes for our workers, and enhance accessibility for business operating within the zone. PEZA continues to play a vital role in the growth of General Trias. Through sustained investments, job generation, and the development of our economic zones, it has been a key partner in shaping our city into a major hub for industry and opportunity. Nabanggit po kanina ni Attorney C na naglaan po ang PEZA ng 5 milyong piso para po sa proyektong ito. Kami naman po sa lokal na pamahalaan ay naglaan din po ng 5 milyong piso para naman po sa improvement ng pathway po sa labas naman po ng gate. Para po kompleto naman po ang improvement ng ating mga pasilidad at ating pong infrastruktura. Ito po ay unang phase pa lamang, sabi po ng aming city engineer, Engineer Jen. Congratulations po. At ito po ay pagpapatuloy namin po hanggang dulo po. Tama? Ayan po.
Sa PEZA po, maraming salamat for continuously investing in developments that directly benefit not only the economic zones but also the surrounding communities. Ang proyektong ito ay hindi lamang para sa mga locators, kundi para din sa ating mga kababayan na araw-araw umaasa sa mas maayos, mas ligtas at mas episyenteng transportasyon. Sa ating pong mga manggagawa at stakeholders, tandaan po natin, every infrastructure project is an investment to our future. Hindi lamang po ito gate, ito po ay daan patungo sa mas magandang trabaho, mas matatag na ekonomiya, at mas magandang kinabukasan para sa susunod na henerasyon. Makakaasa po kayo, nakakasama niyo po ang ating kinatawan sa ika-6 na distrito ng Kongreso in supporting initiatives that strengthen connectivity, improve public service, and create inclusive growth for the entire 6th District of General Trias, Cavite. For our one and only Gentry. Muli po, congratulations po.
I can speak Japanese, speak by Japanese. But no one here except me, right? Japanese or maybe only ako today. Anyway, thank you so much for your continued improvement. Really appreciate on behalf of the all located here. So let's try to think and work together even from now on in order to satisfaction more and then happiness of the, our family, the who working in our zone. Thank you to all of you.